Hello family and welcome back to It's Gotta Be Done. Guys, on this channel I talk about all things health and well-being, and I bring you guys quick simple recipes to follow. And in today's video guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a definitely quick recipe that you can follow, and it's absolutely tasty and delicious. Guys, if you are new, make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this content guys, make sure you thumbs it up, okay? Thumbs it up and share, comment, okay? Let me know. Right, these are the ingredients that I will be using guys, and I'm just gonna mix them all together. So I've got the lemon, I've got the sea salt, I've got the pepper, I've got the garlic and herb, and you know about aroma seasoning. It's very popular. Yeah, you can use it in most if not all dishes. So let's get to mixing guys. So right now the oil that I'm actually currently using is sesame seed oil. I love this oil guys. This oil is actually really good. If you watch my Dr. Sebi shopping, it's one of the oil that is actually recommended, and I actually did buy it then, and I've been buying it ever since. Right now I'm just mixing all the spices. As you guys can see, that's the harissa seasoning. It's kind of like a Moroccan flavored seasoning. So basically guys, so I've got this Thai spice herb, and I've got the Moroccan spice herb. So I'm just mixing the two. So I'm infusing flavors that, you know, that will recreate something really nice. And right now I'm adding the garlic and herb seasoning. And yeah, today we're doing all things seasoning. I'm not using any fresh herbs or garlic or anything. I'm using everything that is already pre-seasoned, because this is the type of dish that we're making today. It doesn't really require anything fresh, but if you wanted to use fresh herbs or spice, feel free. Like I always say guys, mix and blend it according to you, and always use this recipe as a guide, and then you can just recreate whatever to your own flavor. So guys, all I'm doing now is I'm just gonna mix everything together and just make sure that everything blends well. I'm adding some lemon juice because you know you cannot do a mixture without adding lemon juice. It just kind of binds everything together, and it kind of, when you add lemon juice, for me I feel like if one flavor is overpowering, it balances everything out. The acidity of the lemon just kind of balance everything out. So guys, all I'm doing, and that's what you've got right here, it's looking lovely. I like it. I like the mixture, and I even tried it and it tastes fine. It's not salty, it's well balanced. So let's get to mixing guys. So I've got my tray ready. I've added a clean foil over to just make sure that we don't have any drips, okay? So that's what I've done, so that it's easier to clean as well. So let's get into it. So this is the marinated fillet of salmon. So that's what we're making guys. I marinated this salmon, and I'm just gonna place it in the oven, and that's all I'm doing. So guys, this literally takes no more than 10 minutes. And now I'm just checking the oven. How you doing? It's coming and it's cooking along well, okay guys? So I'll place it in there for another 10 minutes, and then I'll bring it out, and bam, there you go. So I've done my salmon. It looks really good, and I'm just basically gonna plate it up now. I'm literally gonna plate it up. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. This is such a quick recipe, and again guys, you can eat this with whatever side dish that you want to have. You can have some salad, you can have some fresh vegetables along with it. If you want to keep it low carb, just, you know, steam some vegetables and have it along. But I'm just gonna have it like this guys. I'm just gonna put some sliced lemon on top and have it as it is, like just nibble on it to keep it low carb, high protein. That is all you need. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video guys. Bye.